Mr. and Mrs. Universe and all the ships at sea, prepare yourselves for an attack from Mars. Latest bulletins indicate that a full-scale invasion of the Earth is about to take place. Run for cover and take all emergency precautions. The Martians are rapidly approaching the Earth in spaceships. The men from Mars have never been seen before and may be very dangerous. Prepare to defend yourselves against attack.
Attention, please. I interrupt this program to bring you the biggest news of the century. A big invasion of spaceships is approaching the Earth. Our cameras are on them now. Look! There are hundreds, no, then thousands of them. It is believed they have come from Mars. I interrupt this program to bring you The Martians are passing over the city. They're headed for the forests. They're landing. Wait, what's this? They are not men. They look like... Oh, no. Oh, yes. They're termites.
Termites?
I interrupt this program to bring you the...